What is grout? Grout is that paste-like substance that goes between your tiles. And hopefully you know it, but no tiles are perfectly square, so you can't stack them really tight together. Since they aren't square, there's going to be gaps between your tiles. This gap needs to be filled with a substance. That's what grout is. It is structural. This material bonds to the side of your tile and holds them together. It also bonds your tile to the substrate, whether it's a floor or a wall. It creates 3 points of attachment, creating a stronger system. Also, grout, by filling the gap, it's not waterproof, but it does prevent water from just running into your tile system. For instance, if you're in a shower and the shower head is pointed at the wall, the majority of the water is going to hit the tile and grout and run down the wall. If the grout was not there, it could get caught in the crevices and run behind the tile. This is not good for anybody. It has a chance to mold over time. And the third part is grout is an aesthetic. It can be a contrasting color with your tile to make it stand out, or it can blend in to make it look like a solid wall. Because it's mixed up on site, it can be any color that you can dream of and add something really special and unique to your tile system. This video right here is the next video you need to watch. I picked it just for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe.